Hello guys. Just following up from a couple of videos ago, you probably saw some of the positions we opened on a small scalping trade, 5 to 15 minute chart windows. Right now, you can see the product, the result, even on the small mini lots, micro lots that we're trading right now. We're up about 62 cents. It's fluctuating a bit. We were up $1.70, but we're heading to the right side. We're heading to the correct side of things. We're a little bit ahead of the market on these trades, feeling pretty good about them. So if you watched the videos prior to this, you got an idea of what we're talking about. And there we go. It's jumped to $2. Not huge. We didn't open up huge positions. You don't need to. You can collectively make good decisions, and your profits will add up in the long run. So just wanted to show you guys the video, see how you guys are understanding things. If you need any help, go to tradesupportgroup.com. We will give you a free consultation and we will get you started with a live one-on-one trading with our professionals. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.